Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear learners, how are you? I am fine. I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Everybody we know that our school is closed because of coronavirus. Now we are staying at home and you are practicing your textbook, and I hope you are following the rules of health. Dear learners, welcome to you from Kerala Ideal Secondary School, Pune. I am M. Muzaffar Hussain, English teacher. Today I am going to discuss lesson 2. Today I am going to discuss lesson 2 English first paper class 8. You know, in the last class I discussed Unit 1, Lesson 1. First, you will know about the keywords. That means there are some keywords. You will know the word synonyms. First word, quiet. A thick, coverlet. That means we can example like we use it during the winter time. Next word, artistic. This synonym, artistical. We can say another word, design. etc. Next word, commercially. Its synonym, mercantily. What is related to merchant? Next word, demand. Demand means claim. Next word, pattern, a model. Pattern means a model. And last word, indigenous. Its synonym, native. We have to learn some keywords and the meaning of that word. Now you do the textbook lesson 2 Naqshi Khata. You can see in the picture. Can you say what kind of picture? I think it is a kind of Naqshi Khata. It is called Naqshi Khata in rural area. And we use it for our guest. Now I will read the text section B. We will look carefully. Section B. I am reading it. Naqshi Khata is a kind of embroidered white. The name was taken from the Bangla word Naqsha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional cap and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. That has been practiced in rural Bengal For centuries, the name Nakshikata became popular after the poet Joshimanti's poem Nakshikata was published in 1929. Traditional khatas are made for family use. Old value cloth and thread I used to make this coin. Maimanching, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra and Josho are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in very expensive handicraft shops in cities. The coils are now in great demand because of the colorful pattern and designs embroidered on them. I have read the text. You will read the text very carefully. Correct pronunciation and meaning. Now I will discuss section C. There are some words in the box. You have to fill up the gap with the following words. There are some words such as Bengali, pattern, embroidery, yarn, pattern, art, rural, design, coil, and last word, naksha. First sentence, naksha means artistic dash. Here, correct word, patterns. Next sentence, the name was taken from a dash word dash. Correct word, the name was taken from a Bengali word. From a Bengali word, naksha. Third sentence, that has been practiced in rural Bengal for our years. Here correct word, rural and years. Number 4, Nakshikatas are now sold in dash shops. Here, correct word, fashion shops. Number 5, Nakshikatas are in great demand because of their colorful art and design. Colorful art and design. And last sentence, Nakshikatas are a kind of coin. Nakshikatas are a kind of coin. In this way, they have to fill up the blanks. There will be another question in this way. So if you practice the text carefully, you will fill up the blanks with correct word. Dear learner, then I will discuss section D. Section D, you have to complete experiment with 5 sentences. There is a question, what does Naksha mean? 5% here. There is a 1% for you, but you have to make another 4% and complete the answer of the question. You will practice at home. So you will practice the passage, read again and again, and I am going to teach you, I am going to give you a homework, section E. Do you like a Naksha or an ordinary Kata? But why? It's your homework. So I hope you will practice this passage carefully at home. I hope you will not go out without emergency work. You will mask for the sake of coronavirus. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Thanks.